Hello guys, this is Juggling Life, and today we're going to be doing the Orangutan Armpit tutorial, because I got a special request for that. This channel won't be about juggling most of the time, but if you really want to know how to do a trick, you can just comment down below and I'll make sure to do a tutorial on it. So enjoy the video. So this is the Orangutan Armpit juggling trick. Okay, that's all it is. It's kind of a funny trick, but now I'll show you how to do it. So this is a fairly easy trick to learn. First, what you want to do is you just want to start off with one ball. And all you want to do is drop it out of your armpit and catch it in the same hand that the ball is in your armpit. So just like that. So you're going to be doing that with both arms. Okay, so once again, then you're going to have another ball down here in your other hand. So you're going to drop this out and put this ball in there. And then you have a ball down here, drop this one out into this hand, put this up into there. Then that's all you do. So it's kind of a funny trick. I don't really see what it has to do with an orangutan, but whatever. If you have any other questions on how to do the trick, please comment below and I'll make sure to answer them. And thank you for watching.